Hello everyone, this is our new NJ's beautician, and let's have a demonstration of how to use the roller height. Set the energy level starting from 30%. Apply essential oil before the massage treatment. Large protrusion head used for deep muscle relaxation for persons who do fitness or heavy training. Let's replace the treatment head. Small protrusion head for superficial facial relaxation, suitable for the back, calves, or areas with thinner tissue. Small protrusion head for superficial facial relaxation, suitable for the back, calves, or areas with thinner tissue. Small silicone height for gentle daily care on small areas, such as the arms or for feet or for children. Three-R height for professional facial treatments, including lifting, tightening, and anti-aging. Concave head designed to ease lower back and spine discomfort for persons who sit for long hours. Luminal eyelid height, suitable for persons with thicker fat layers or for reducing swelling, including morning edema. Tell us, how are you feeling after treatment?
When I do the treatment, I feel the handle is pulling, catching my skin and fat, and I feel it's breaking my fat down. And I think the pressure and vibration of this new roller machine will be stronger and more powerful than previous machines. The energy can dip into my deep fats, not only on the surface, so the whole treatment is more comfortable face will also be better. Yeah, I also noted that my skin become a little bit hot and red, but I think it's normal situation. So I think it's really very good machine for cellulite and fat removal. The whole treatment feel is very nice and comfortable.
Я чувствую, что это аппарат имеет большой энергии и чувствовать очень комфортно и расслабленно. Мне он очень нравится. Аппарат молодцы.